Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. You know the Easter season is upon us, and as Jamaicans, you know it's all about the fish. So come, let me show you how to do this pickle so you can pretty up the fish.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So guys, what I have here is some onions, carrot and chocho, also some scotch bonnet pepper, and I've got some pimento seeds as well. So you just want to go ahead and slice up your onions and julienne your carrots and your chocho. Now make sure you have a sterilized clean bottle that has a good seal on it. Don't forget that. The vinegar I'm using, I found this pickling vinegar, guys, because you know sometimes this vinegar, they don't really have much strength. So I'm using the pickling vinegar, and I'm just literally layering up everything in the bottle now. Now guys, there's no pretty way to do this. You just have to work with it and just squeeze them in, dash them in, fling them in anyhow you can get them in. Make sure you put some pimento seeds at the bottom of the bottle as well. Now make sure in a pot you warm your vinegar. Now I warm the vinegar with the pimento seeds inside of it. You don't want to boil it, you know, you just want to warm it. Now once you layer your things in your bottle, just go ahead and pour that warm liquid all over. Make sure you cover the top of the veggies, and guys, it is as simple as that. What I'm doing is after I pour the liquid, I'm just going to use my fork and push down the veggies in. Listen, push it down, make it go down in it. You know, so we want it. Oh no! Once you're done, seal it. Make sure you seal it tight and put it away. So you see, when you fry your fish, you just take out some of this and you put it all over your fish. And you know, so some people that like the heat like to put it on them dinner as well. But just enjoy this pickle. If you want to know how I fry my fish, I'm gonna link it in the description box. And once again, thanks for watching.